In this video I'm gonna show you how to avoid the sunstroke in Dune Awakening. So as you can see on the right side of screen, sunstroke, spending time in the sun will fill up the sunstroke bar. Once you feel you will be affected by a sunstroke, which increases the hydration rate. To avoid it, you have to remove sunstroke, stick to the shadows. As you can see, if I go here, I get a sunstroke level higher. On the middle of the screen you can see it. If I go to the shadows, it should decrease. Of course I can drink water to not be dehydrated. And that's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!